If your text don't look cinematic in After Effects, this is the exact setup I use. Let's get it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to animate it, add subtle motion blur, and give you that clean movie style look. All right, so once you open up After Effects, we're gonna start a new file, new composition. We're just gonna name this cinematic text, and then I'm just gonna use the basic 920, 1080, basically 30 frames per second. Hit OK. So the first thing we need to do is go up here, hit T to get that text. Just click and just create whatever text that you want it to say. Now you can change your font over here on the side to whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it as, what is this, Pi? We're gonna keep Pi. Change your size, do all that. If you're over here, just go ahead and make sure it's center alignment. And then we're also gonna go down to align, and we're just gonna hit align horizontally and add vertically. If you get this error, it's just because you have caps lock on. So just go ahead and turn that off, and there you go. So mine's a little bit too big. Let's bring that back down, realign, and boom. All right, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do right on this text layer, hit this drop down. We're gonna go over here to animate, click that. We're gonna go to blur. Then we're gonna go down here to add, and we're gonna add a property, and we're going to add opacity. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our blur. So I'm gonna move it up until you can't really read anything. I kind of like it right about here, but you can make yours more or less. But I'm actually gonna bring mine maybe to about right here. Then we're gonna go up to opacity and bring this down to 0. So now you see absolutely nothing. So now we're gonna go up here to where it says range, click this down arrow, and over at opacity, set it to -100, and then we're gonna hit the keyframe. And then we're gonna go ahead and let's say roughly about 2 seconds, let's do that. We're gonna move it to 100. All right, and then right under offset where it says advanced, hit this down arrow, and we're going to change the shape to ramp up. And then ease low, you can kind of play around with this. I like mine a little bit lower, so I'm going to do -25. Now here's one small tweak that will make it look a little bit more professional. Right down here where it says randomize order, you can put that on, and then instead of it being like one line, it's going to randomize your text on which one you can see. So that's just like a little tip for you. And then now when you play it back, you have a cinematic animation. If you want to learn more tutorials like this, go ahead and click this video.